Hi guys, this is Divisha Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Unfiltered Sundays. Now if you're new here or if you don't know already, then Unfiltered Sundays is a series on my channel where we talk about all things Dil Se. So whatever I'm feeling or I've felt in the past, or my life lessons, life experiences, story time, like a lot of them, we cover everything in this particular series, and I'm so glad that I get to do this and I have this platform to share all of this with you guys. Today's topic is very interesting, I would say, because I turned 27 on 1st of March. I was just like kind of reflecting back on my year, and I was thinking ki what all I learned as a 26-year-old, because you know, sometimes life is so fast paced that we kind of forget to stop and reflect back कि actually मेरे life में क्या क्या हुआ है, and actually what all I have learned from those experiences, just kind of self introspection I would say. So I wrote it all down and I was pleasantly surprised, because आपको लगता है कि एक साल में क्या ही बदल जाएगा, but it's a myth. I mean एक साल बहुत लंबा टाइम होता है. And I realized that there were so many patterns and so many things that I should be working on when it comes to my personal life as well as my professional life. Somewhere those traits are hampering my growth in a way. So I decided to just, try and work on all those things in this coming year and years to follow, because I really want to reach the best version of myself and become that best version of myself for me. So yeah, that's basically the agenda of this video. Now usually in Unfiltered Sundays, I kind of get ready while I'm talking to you guys, but today I was just so exhausted and tired to kind of put on makeup and get ready. So I decided to be in my PJs and just sit comfortably and talk to you guys, because I just wanted to talk about this. So first things first, I learned patience. Now I've been a patient person all my life. Like I am more patient than anyone that I know. I get that from my dad. This year kind of taught me patience on another level. I realized that I was always so patient because I had everything planned out for me. I am that person in the group who plans to the T, like everything needs to be on the paper, to-do lists, and just planning everything so that nothing can go wrong. So in the last year, I realized that it's okay to sometimes not plan. It's okay to sometimes be spontaneous and just let it be, let it go. Like not plan, just leave it up to the universe for a change. Like I used to plan all the trips, all the outings, all the work days, all the chutti wale din, all the like life plans in general, and I realized that that's not how one should live their life, because it's very stressful, even though you're not realizing it, but it causes stress. Planning causes stress ki what if kuch galat ho gaya, what if something doesn't go according to the plan, what if this, what if that. There are a lot of what ifs, and subconsciously you try and control every bit of your life in order for the plan to execute successfully. And I realized that it was coming from a place of me trying to protect myself from any kind of disappointment. I decided to not let this get to me, and I decided to kind of let some things go and not plan everything. Of course वो मेरा personality trait है कि I need the plan to be there on the paper. I can definitely tone it down a lot. So that's why, like, starting from my birthday, like 27th birthday, I decided I want to surrender. I don't want to plan things. I don't want to put my brain into planning, and that's why I had no plans for my birthday this year, and it turned out fine. It turned out better than I had imagined, and it was just so wholesome. So I did realize that it's really, really, really okay to sometimes let things be and have that space, like have that breather wherein something magical could happen. Yeah, that is going to be my agenda going forward for this year, for coming years. Last year I also realized how important it is to enjoy your own company and actually spend some quality time with yourself, because you are your longest commitment, and you should know how to genuinely, like without any distractions, be able to spend time with yourself. It's very, very important. It's very underrated, I feel like. I have definitely decided to take myself out on more solo dates. I have decided to not wait for people to say yes to a trip so that I can plan the trip. I'm going to travel solo if सबके timelines match नहीं हो रहे, या फिर there's some reason or the other. I'm not gonna wait around, because you only live once. I definitely want to try solo traveling for the longest time, so I guess this year would be it. I am going to try that. The next realization, or the thing that I want to work on, like really work on, is my confidence. Now I may seem like a very confident person on camera, but that's because I'm sitting in my room, I'm very comfortable, I'm just talking to a camera right here. I have decided completely to put myself in uncomfortable situations, things that make me really, really uncomfortable, and practice confidence, because I've read a lot of articles, I've heard a lot of interviews, and everybody says that nobody is born confident. You practice confidence every single day of your life, and that's how you become the most confident self or the most confident person out there. That's my major goal actually this year, to practice confidence so much that these uncomfortable situations or social situations don't make me uncomfortable anymore. Right now I'm just signing up for every event that is happening in the city, or just collaborating with other creators and putting myself out there, which is again very, very out of my comfort zone, but I show up. I will show up for myself. I feel like I've lost many opportunities because there was this lack of confidence in my work or in myself or in general. This year, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go out and seek those opportunities which I know that I deserve. The next thing that I realized is how important it is to live in the present and actually live your life the way you want to be, because I know most of us are a part of this hustle culture where we work and we don't take breaks, or we take breaks but feel guilty about them and not pursuing things or not learning anything new. I realized that it's very important. It's a basic human need to kind of learn new things, learn new skills, try new things and different experiences and all of that. It gives us that feeling ki okay, you are alive and you are here to live actually, and not just work 24/7. Last year I actually learned driving, and that made me, something shifted in me at that moment ki yaar, wow, I'm finding so much joy in just learning this new skill. Why am I not learning new skills when I have the time, I have the energy? I'm just putting all my energy and all my time into working, which is good, which is great. Working is important, but uske saath mein pursuing new skills and taking time out for your hobbies and learning something new is very exciting. So this year I'm definitely going to learn a couple new things that I've postponed for, I think, as long as I can remember. So I'm going to learn driving completely, like mera thoda sa chhoot gaya tha. I want to dance more often because I love dancing, and I think that I'm not a great dancer, so I really want to brush up my skills and just dance my heart out just because it makes me happy. Third, I do want to seek new experiences when it comes to like traveling and stuff like that. So let's see how that goes. I'm not planning, guys. That's the goal that we talked about. I also learned that you get what you ask for, because for the longest time of my life I was always so shy to ask for things that I really, really want, because मुझे लगता था कि यार सामने वाला है तो मना कर देगा, rejection हो जाएगा, या फिर anything, any stupid reason that I've made up in my mind. But ऐसा होता नहीं है, because sometimes you only put all those boundaries for yourself कि यार बस this is my limit, this is my limit. So this year I'm definitely not shying away from asking for things that I really, really want, professionally as well as personally, because you got only one life. Yeah, I think those were all the lessons, all the realizations, all the things that I want to implement in my next year, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was very unfiltered, raw, just straight coming from my heart. I wanted to put this out there because I know most of you feel the same way that I do, and I really want you to think that it's normal. It's normal to feel this way. It's normal to go through these things because it's a part of life. Let me know how you like this video, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, comment below if you related to anything that I had to say. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.